Welcome to aorbtech.
This is an introductory video for Python course, Learn to Python series.
In this series we're going to be covering Python fundamentals from the basics to the advanced, and in this video we're going to be discussing the course outline.
In the first, we will discuss data type and operation, where we will see various data type, for example, integer, string, float, none, and also see some various operation, for example, addition, subtractions, multiplication, and so on.
In the second part of the series we're going to be covering strings, where we're going to look at string manipulation, concatenation, amongst other things.
And then we will discuss array and tuple, where we will see how we can create an array and tuples. Also, we see our various operations.
After that we're going to be covering dictionaries and sets, a unique new way of storing your data.
And after that, we will discuss conditional statement, for example, if else, and case statement.
Shortly after we'll be covering iterative statements such as the for loop and the while loop.
And then we'll discuss function and recursions.
After that we're going to be covering file input and output, where we're going to see how to manipulate the files on your computer using Python.
And then we will move forward to object-oriented programming part 1, where we'll see a various topic, for example, class, object, class attribute, object attribute, static method, and constructor.
And finally, we're going to be looking at an extended version of object-oriented programming. We're going to take a look at inheritance and some extra special things to help you program very cool objects and classes. So we hope you enjoy this course, and without further ado, let's dive right in.